here's how to find out when a student completed an activity. So I'm going to go into the class and actually go to the activity. And then we're going to go mandatory course enrollment. Then we're going to look at attempts. We'll click that. And if we go down, there's a couple of different ways to look at this. You can look by last name, which is alphabetized, or you can come over here and hit completed, and that will give you when the date that each of them completed it. So I have it from the earliest to the latest. If you want to hit it again, it would be from the latest to the earliest. So that's how you find out when they took it. Hope this helps. Bye.